Forgotten username recovery failed on Mound Bank Fix. If your Mound Bank username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, it's a common issue with an easy fix once you know what's going wrong. Most people miss one key step during verification, and that's what causes the process to fail. First, go to the Mound Bank login page and click Forgot User ID. You'll need to provide your social security number and either your account or card number. Make sure this information is typed exactly as it appears on your account. If you recently changed your address, name or contact details, the system might not recognize you right away. If you didn't get the recovery email, check your spam folder for a message from Mound Online Banking. If it's not there, wait at least 10 minutes before retrying. The system sometimes delays emails for security checks. Another common issue is an outdated phone number or email address. Mound uses these to verify your identity, so if you've changed either recently, you'll need to contact customer service directly. Call 1-800-799-130 and ask them to verify your information and help recover your username manually. The surprising truth about Mound Bank's recovery system is that it prioritizes security over convenience. Even a small mismatch in your info can trigger a failed recovery attempt to prevent unauthorized access. Once you get back into your account, go to your profile and confirm that your contact details and security settings are up to date. That one step can save you hours of frustration if you ever need to recover your login again. So, if your username recovery keeps failing, stay calm. Double check your info, use the correct verification method, and call support if needed. With these steps, you'll regain access to your Mound Bank account in no time.